you for coming with very short notice. Usually people give 2 months, 3 months notice. I called most of people, the people who helped us to get all of you here. They may have also called you within the last 2-3 weeks. Within such a short notice, you all came here, and we are really grateful for your presence. Last year, I took a journey to New Jersey. It was like a Tirtha Yatra for me. A lot of us, we go in India, we go to sacred places. We see God and we get a good feeling. So last year, I went to New Jersey to see a person. I heard a lot about him, so I just went to see him. So what is this personality all about? I had a 2-hour meeting with him, and I was like wonderstruck. I mean, this is an amazing personality, and I have been involved in social work for about close to 37 years, since I'm 12 years old. And I have never met someone who has such a deep insight, who is able to give a panoramic view. Most of us, we see Jimmy Carter, we see I-85, we see the street, and we have a street view. But very few of us are able to connect to someone who has a panoramic view. Like when you go to in Delta, you are flying, you see the city from a different viewpoint. And what Rajiv Ji brings to us is that panoramic view, with that deep insight, and the skill that he has to articulate so that we all understand the real nature of the threat. All of you know that there used to be dinosaurs in this world. So there are many theories. The one theory that interests me a lot was this. Although the size of the dinosaur was so big, the fellow is sleeping most of the time. He goes to eat for half an hour, 1 hour. The rest of the time, he is sleeping. So what happens, 23 hours, the lions, the tigers, the foxes, they go to the dinosaur and they have their breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner with the dinosaur's body. Even after it gets digested in the stomachs of the lions and the foxes, the dinosaur doesn't know that a huge part of its body has gone. This is a very interesting theory. Because we were such a big dinosaur, before 2000 years ago, as Rajiv Ji has said, this dinosaur was not only having direct influence on large number of human population, there was an indirect influence. We lost big. Moreover, we lost territory. India was double the size of what it is today. We also lost knowledge. The universities that were burned, it took 6 months to burn Nalanda University. Imagine the treasure we have lost. So the complacency that we all have, we must get rid of it. You have a duty to make sure that you do something about this threat. Usha is doing a few things, and I would welcome all of you to join Usha. There are so many community leaders here. One of the things that we make sure is that we involve all the groups, linguistic groups, religious groups, social groups, and Usha is organizing this type of events to promote Rajiv Ji's book all over the country. And we are also making sure that he just, the man has given his life. I have not seen anyone who has dedicated himself without any kind of support and still keeps on going. And the type of work that he has done, we are all aware now how beneficial it is to the future of Hindus, the future of India. So it is our sacred duty to support him. You can join us in supporting him. You can support yourself.